How to remove family link from Google account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how to remove family link from Google account. In order to remove family link from Google account, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service, and after that you'll need to open up your settings application and then log into your Google account. For that, go to Google and right on this page select the account by tapping on the arrow icon like this and select the particular account from where you actually want to remove your family link. So after that, you'll need to click on manage your Google account, which is underneath. Once you're on this page, swipe towards your left hand side and click on people and sharing. Here you'll be able to see the people or the family that you've added on your Google account. In my case, I've not added anyone, so you'll not be able to see the interface. All you have to do is just tap on the profile icon. Next page you'll be taken where you'll be able to see the info. Right at the bottom you'll be able to see a remove button. Click on it, and once you've done that, on the other interface, for the confirmation of your identification, you'll be asked to type in the Google password, and as soon as you're done entering the password, you'll be notified with a statement that the family member or the family link from Google account has been removed successfully. So that is basically how you can remove family link from Google account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.